Hello, I'm meteorologist Jessica Few, and welcome to the National Weather Service Peachtree City's weekly weather briefing for Thursday, August 29th, 2013. We are looking for our best rain chances during the holiday weekend, so folks will need to stay weather aware. Rainfall amounts, though, are forecast to be low, and thus no widespread flooding is anticipated. A cold front will move through Georgia on Tuesday and will bring drier air to the state late Tuesday into Wednesday. Before we move into the forecast, let's look at the past. This is a look at the 90-degree days at our 4 climate stations. The number of days we have reached 90 or above in 2013 is shown in the second column. The average number of 90-degree days for January 1st through August 28th is for the period of record, and that's shown in the third column, and you can see that all 4 climate sites are below normal for the number of 90-degree days. There is no doubt that this year has been wet, but last week we actually were relatively dry considering the rest of the year. On this map, there are actually locations across north and central Georgia that saw no rain over the past week. For areas that did see rain, it was generally less than 1 inch, the blue colors, with scattered 1 to 2 inches in the green colors. Localized areas saw around 2.5 inches as denoted by the yellow colors. We showed you this chart last week, and here's an update. The most significant rainfall was in Macon over the past week, and they are now more than 12 inches above their normal rainfall for the entire year. So let's take a look at today. This is a water vapor satellite image from this morning. This shows the moisture content of the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. In addition, we have the 500 millibar heights in the green colors, and this helps us to denote where the high and low pressure areas are located. To the west of Georgia, we have an upper level ridge, and to the east of Georgia, there is a trough of low pressure over the Atlantic. Although the ridge of high pressure will remain to the west of Georgia through next week, the pattern over the eastern part of the United States will change with another trough affecting the state this weekend into next week. For this afternoon, the best chance of convection will be across the eastern portion of the state, closer to the weak surface trough. Isolated strong storms are possible, and the main threat with those will be wind. A similar setup is expected for Friday, however the chance of showers and thunderstorms will spread westward. As we move into Saturday and Sunday, we are getting into a more wet pattern. An upper-level trough of low pressure, shown in the black dotted line in the left-hand image, will be situated across the state. This will help to enhance our afternoon showers and thunderstorms. As of Thursday morning, our forecast was calling for around a 50% chance of rain and thunderstorms on Saturday and Sunday. Some of these storms could become strong, and again, the main threat will be wind. As we move into Labor Day, a cold front will approach the area and help to enhance our shower and thunderstorm chances even more. As of the Thursday morning forecast, we are calling for a 60% chance of rain. Some of these storms could become strong, and a severe thunderstorm cannot be ruled out. With the holiday weekend and many folks having outdoor plans, monitor the weather forecast closely. A cold front will move through the state on Tuesday. The cold front can be denoted in the left-hand image, where over Georgia you have the moist air in the green and blue next to the purple or drier air. You can also see the trough axis in the 500 millibar heights. This same feature can be noted on Wednesday, but it is further east and south of our area. The main impact of the cold front moving through on Tuesday will be drier air behind the front for late Tuesday and Wednesday. We will have near zero rain chances behind the front through Wednesday. We will not see as much of an impact to the temperatures as they will be in the mid to upper 80s behind the front. Looking at the forecast rainfall amounts through next Thursday, we are forecasting around a ½ inch to an inch across North Georgia and an inch to about an inch and a half across Central Georgia. These rainfall amounts are light, and thus no widespread flooding is expected with these amounts. The tropics are relatively quiet. Here's the tropical weather outlook from the National Hurricane Center. In the graphic, the probabilities convey the chance of tropical cyclone formation within the next 48 hours. Area 1 and Area 2, along the African coast and the middle of the Atlantic respectively, both have a 10% chance of development. In the text of the tropical weather outlook, the National Hurricane Center also provides the chance of development over the next 5 days. They are giving Area 1 a 30% chance and Area 2 a 20% chance of development over the next 5 days. Looking at the next week, Saturday through Monday appear to be a relatively wet period, and this will impact outdoor Labor Day activities. A front will move through on Tuesday, and that will bring drier conditions to north and central Georgia for late Tuesday and Wednesday. Even with the higher rain chances, we hope you enjoy your Labor Day weekend.